Hi everyone, my name's Juliet and today I'm talking about Scrivener export formats. If you're new to Scrivener, you might not be familiar with how to get your manuscript into a usable format. And by that I mean a format you can use to give to other people or upload to a retailer. For that you need to go into Compile. You'll see in the pull-down menu at the bottom of the pop-up screen that you can export to Mobi, EPUB, Word and PDF, plus many other formats. Now, the thing to remember is that all these formats have different specifications. And you have a number of different screens on the left where these can be changed. Much of this is down to taste, such as what symbols you want for scene breaks, what size you want your title to be, line spacing. In future videos I'll go through some of these specifications for specific formats. Once all your formats are set, you compile the document, which means that Scrivener will take your manuscript and convert it into the document format you have chosen and produce a file that you can share with others. Check out this playlist for more Scrivener videos. Thank you for watching, and if you've subscribed, I'll see you next time.